Are you prepared to navigate through rain, snow, or sizzling heat? Interstate Heavy Equipment presents a specialized guide on how to handle heavy equipment in adverse weather conditions. Equip yourself for every forecast. The reason? Number 1. Weatherproof techniques. Learn the essential skills to operate heavy equipment seamlessly in rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. Number 2. Safety protocols. Prioritize safety with weather-specific guidelines to keep yourself and your team secure in challenging conditions. Number 3. Equipment maintenance. Discover crucial tips for maintaining heavy machinery in adverse weather, ensuring optimal performance. Number 4. Adaptability mastery. Develop the adaptability needed to handle unexpected weather changes while maintaining efficiency. Why choose Interstate Heavy Equipment? Benefit from the wisdom of industry experts with a wealth of experience in handling heavy equipment across diverse weather conditions. Our guide offers practical insights and hands-on techniques to equip you for real-world scenarios. Dive into knowledge anytime, anywhere through our user-friendly website, interstateheavyequipment.com. Prepare yourself for any weather challenge. Dial 469-370-7501 to connect with our experts and start your journey to mastering heavy equipment in adverse conditions. Seize the opportunity. Visit interstateheavyequipment.com now.